name is what? My name is
Oil spill man right here.
Oil spill guy.
I'm gonna tell people why they should not be afraid of the oil spill.
Let's go.
Stupid big boys. Can I put that in my pocket? Alright, show everybody the sign. Honk, if you're afraid of the oil spill.
Let's go, baby. Oh my god.
Yeah!
Stand by the red car. Stand by the red car. Go near the black car. Go near the black car. Get closer to them. Don't get so far.
That's what I'm talking about. Yeah! Yeah! 3 honks, dude.
Oh my. Yo, hey, get closer, get closer, get closer. Don't talk anymore. Hey, go into this, go, make a left, make a left. Make a left, make a left. Go closer to that car.
Are you afraid of the oil spill, man? I'm scared. I'm not gonna go to the beach this summer because of this. Yeah! Are you afraid of the oil spill, man? Partially, a little bit.
Let's go, come on. Oh my god. Keep on going, keep on going. Stand in front of that man, stand in front of that. Look. Go to this guy right here, go to this guy right here.
Let's go to Burger. Let's go to Burger. Shh, I'm hungry. Shh. Hey, Burger King, you're really close. Burger King. I might go to Burger King.
Hey, go to the drive-thru, go to the drive-thru. Oh. Yo, hey, stand in front of the window. Let's go, let's go.
I used to box in the professional. That's why I got these things. I was boxing for a couple of years. But I got knocked out by CrossFit Douglas. So someone will take care of it. Thank you very much. I will see you later. Let's get out of here. Let's get out of here. I'm terrified.
No, hey, stand in front of this yellow car. Stand in front of this yellow car. Look, stand right there, stand right there.
Alright.
Oh my goodness.
Let's go. It's a nice day out today. How my funnel case doing?
Yo, hey, look. When the car stops, we have a boxing fight. Let's go, let's go. Oh.
Wrap it up right there, son. This is the oil spill man, baby. Yeah.